While Kotak Mahindra Bank is still trying to fix its issues and make money simpler for its customers, let's make sense of RBI's recent supervisory action against the bank and the connection of April 15 FERPA that frazzled a lot of Kotak Mahindra Bank customers. First and foremost, business remains as usual for existing customers. There's no need to worry. You can access and utilize their services both online as well as offline. Now, if you remember, April 15 Kotak Mahindra Bank had a full-blown outage. Servers were down, you could not access ATMs, online transactions as well as mobile banking apps. Now, coupled with that, in the past, there were some discrepancies which RBI pointed out. Weaknesses were found in the back end in their offline as well as digital platforms. What did RBI do? The RBI then issued a cease and desist order on April 24th for two key operations. First, they said onboarding of new customers through online and mobile banking channels will not be allowed. Also, issuing of fresh credit cards will be kept on hold both online as well as offline for the moment. So you cannot issue or ask for a credit card online and offline subject to RBI's further notice as of now. Now, the reasons behind this action are many, but here are few of them. In fact, RBI in one of its orders said that deficiencies and non-compliances were observed in few of these areas. As you see on the screen, few have been listed as well. Overall, here's a gist of what we gathered from the RBI circular. First off, for two consecutive years, year of 2022 as well as 2023, RBI found that the bank was assessed to be deficient in the IT risk and information security governance. During subsequent assessments, they found that there was still non-compliance with respect to the corrective action plans that RBI had made for 2022 as well as 2023, and compliances submitted by the bank further on were found to be either inadequate, incorrect or not sustained. So in the interest of the customers and the people, RBI decided to place certain business restrictions until further notice and until Kotak Mahindra Bank makes all of these issues get out of the way and fix all of these issues for all its customers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.